Hi guys, this is one of my best permanent strategies on trading volatility 25 index on 1 hour time frame. Now you need only one indicator to record consistent profits. Now let me show you, this is one of my permanent strategies and I've been using this over and over for past many years now. I have been on this and keep recording great profits. Now let me show you the secret behind this particular strategy and how you can make use of it and record consistent profit trading volatility 25 index on 1 hour time frame. Now what I need you to do is to pay attention, understand every bit of this video, how to make use of the indicator, how to set it up, how to place your stop loss, because this indicator will show you where to make your entry and where to place your stop loss. So all I need from you now is to do what? Pay attention, understand how it is used, apply it the same way it is. I explain it on this particular video and you will record consistent profit trading volatility 25 index on 1 hour time frame. Now let me show you how to make use of this. Now on my screen now you will see two sections, the indicator section and the chart section. Now this is down here is a Williams percent range indicator. To understand, this is the only indicator you need to record massive profit trading volatility 25 index on 1 hour time frame. Now this is how to make use of this indicator. Now you will see a horizontal purple line. You will see a horizontal purple line of on the Williams percent indicator now, and also this is a green line. Now when the green line crosses this purple line from down upward, that is what a clear buy signal. Do you understand? This is a green line and this is a purple line. So once the green line crosses this purple line from down upward, that is what a clear buy signal. Do you understand? Now where to place your stop loss? If you are buying, your stop loss should be at the previous higher low. Do you understand? So if you are buying, your stop loss should be at the previous higher low. So if you are selling, your stop loss should be at the previous lower high. Do you understand? All right, now pay attention. This is what I mean. This is the crossing of the green line of Williams percent range indicator crossing the purple line. So once this crossing occur, that is what a clear buy signal. So the point where the crossing occur, that is where you need to do what? This is the point where the crossing occur. So this is where you need to do what? Make your buy entry. This is the candlestick where the crossing occur. Now your stop loss should be at the previous higher low. This is where you need to do what? Place your stop loss while your entry is here, and this is what a huge profits. Now this particular strategy is simple and straightforward and keep generating a lot of profits. You understand? All right, now pay attention. Let me show you. Now we proceed. Now see, as you can see, this is a huge profit. This is what a huge profit. I seen it is still buying. You understand? All right, this is at this point the green line crosses the purple line. Are you seeing it here? Right, this is where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. This is what a confirmed sell signal. Do you understand? This is what a confirmed sell signal. The green line crosses the purple line from up downward. So this is what a clear sell signal. This is the point where the crossing occur, and this is the candlestick where the crossing occur. Do you understand? So that is why you need to do what? Make your sell entry. Now when you are selling, like as I said before, when you are selling, your stop loss should be at the previous lower high. Now this is why you need to do what? Place your stop loss. Do you understand? And this is a massive profit for you. All right, so let's proceed. Now this is another crossing here. The green line crosses the purple line from down upward. This is what a clear buy signal. So the point where the crossing occur, that's where you need to do what? Make your buy entry. Do you understand? That's where you need to do what? Make your buy entry. So this is the point where the crossing occur from the side of a Williams percent range indicator, and this is the candlestick where the crossing occur. So that is where you need to do what? Make your buy entry, and your stop loss should be at the previous higher low. This is where you need to do what? Place your stop loss at the previous lower higher low and record massive profit. Alright, now let's proceed. Now this is the crossing, this next crossing from up downwards. This is what a clear sell signal, a clear what sell signal. So you need to do what? Make your sell entry at this point. You need to do what? Make your sell entry at this point. This is the point where the correction occur, and this is the candlestick where the correction occur. So that is where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. Make your sell entry at this point, and this is a huge profit. Now when you are selling, your stop loss should be at the previous lower high. This is where your stop loss should be. This is the previous lower high. That's where your stop loss should be, and this is what a huge profit. You understand? So this particular strategy is straightforward, and I have been generating a lot of profit with this on volatility 25 index on 1 hour time frame. Do you understand? So you can jump on this and keep recording massive profit trading volatility 25 index on 1 hour time frame. Do you understand? All right, now we proceed. This is another auction here. This is another clear buy entry. Do you understand? So you make your buy entry at this point. Make your buy entry at this point. This is what a clear buy entry. So you make a buy entry at this point of auction. This is the point where the Williams percent range indicator crosses the purple line. You understand? And this candlestick where the correction occur. So that is where you need to do what? Make your buy entry, and this is what a huge profit for you. Now since you are buying, your stop loss should be at the previous higher low. So this is the previous higher low. So that's where you need to do what? Place your stop loss. Do you understand? Like as I said, this particular strategy is straightforward and highly profitable. Do you understand? It keeps generating a lot of profit for me. Do you understand? All right. So you can jump on it and keep see. This is where we make our entry. Watch this. This is where we make our buy entry. Are you seeing it? And this is a huge profit for you. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing? This is a lot of profit. Do you understand? A lot of profit. All right. Now this is another opportunity for you to sell. This is another opportunity for you to sell. This is the point where the correction occur. This is the point where the correction occur. This is what a confirmed sell signal. A confirmed sell signal. A confirmed sell signal. So the point where the correction occur, that is the point where you need to do what? To make your sell entry. So this is the point where the green line crosses the purple line from the side of Williams percent indicator. So this is the candlestick where the correction occur. Are you seeing it? So this is what a clear sell signal. You make your what? Sell entry and keep recording massive profits. So once you are selling, your stop loss should be at the previous lower high. Now this is where your stop loss should be at the previous lower high. Like as I said, this particular strategy is simple, straightforward, and highly profitable. I have been using it and generating a lot of profit, and that is why I deem it fit to share it with you guys so that you change your trading history and keep recording massive profits. All right, now let's proceed. Now this is another correction here. As you can see, this is another correction here. This is what a confirm buy signal. This is what a confirm buy signal. So at this point, look at the point where the correction occur. As you can see, this is the point where the correction occur here, and this is the candlestick where the correction occur. So at this point, once the candlestick closes, you make a what? Buy entry and record massive profit. So as you are buying, your stop loss should be at the previous higher low. So this is where you need to do what? Place your stop loss, and this is a huge profit. Now you don't allow your stop loss to remain here. Once the market, once you are on profit, you do what? You close your, you shift, you trade well, you trade your stop loss. Do you understand? All right, so that is it, guys. So jump on this and keep recording massive profit. Jump on this and keep recording massive profit. Don't forget, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are shared. All right, this is where this is the channel where you need to get all the strategy you need to trade any market at all. Now let me show you the settings. Let me show you how to set up the indicators. Now I click on F. Now this is Williams percent range indicator. Like as I said, you need only one indicator. So here are what the parameters for Williams percent range indicator. The period is 200, style 3 pixel, the color is green. Now the next thing is level. Now pay attention on the level. Let me show you. This is the level. You click on the level. So here are what the settings for the level. Do you understand? Here are what the settings for the level. This is a -50, -49, -48, -47, -46, and the color is purple. So that is all you need to set up a Williams percent range indicator. So once you are done, back to your chart and you apply it the way I explain it, and you keep on generating a lot of profit. So this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit, and change their trading history for good. Thank you.